Presenting Rico Anthony Enterprises, offering music coaching, leadership, teaching, motivational speaking, consulting, one-on-one piano lessons, and so much more. You can search on all social media platforms Rico Anthony Enterprises, or you can visit www.ricoanthony.net.
So we're going to break down tritones. So a tritone is the 3 and the flat 7 of the key. So if I'm in the key of C and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. If I take the 3 and the flat 7, then I now have the tritone for the key of C. Now tritones work in fourths. So they go from C. This will be the tritone for C, F, B flat. So they move in fourths. So if I go backwards, C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat. Right, that's if I go backwards. Now if I go forward from C, then they go in fifths. C, all right, G, all right, so then they move in fifths. So tritones, they also work chromatically. So if I need to go from C to C sharp to D, then of course I can go straight up the chromatic scale. But learning them in fourths and fifths, knowing that if I go back from the C tritone, then that's going to put me at the F tritone, which is the fourth of C. And if you really don't understand fourths or the circle of fourths, go back and watch that video where I break down the circle of fourths so you can learn those. So let's break down all of the tritones and all of the keys. But let's do it using the major chord in the right hand. So we got C, we got E and B flat, F, we got E flat and A, B flat, we got D and A flat, E flat, we got G and D flat, A flat, we got G flat and C, C sharp or D flat, we got F and B, G flat or F sharp, we got E and B flat, E flat, we got, B, we have E flat and A, E, we have D and A flat, A, we have C sharp or D flat and G, D, we have G flat and C, and then G, we have B and F or F and B. All right, so let's play through those. We're back at C. So tritones, they also work chromatically. So if I need to go from C to C sharp to D, then of course I can go straight up the chromatic scale. But learning them in fourths and fifths, knowing that if I go back from the C tritone, then that's going to put me at the F tritone, which is the fourth of C. And if you really don't understand fourths or the circle of fourths, go back and watch that video where I break down the circle of fourths so you can learn those. But I hope this helps. Leave for me a comment or a question or a concern that you have in the comments below. Have a good day.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.